Hey guys, in today's video we'll take a look at VIZIO V-Series 5.1 Home Theater Soundbar. The VIZIO V-Series 5.1 V51XJ6 model is a soundbar system that includes a soundbar, 2 rear speakers, and a subwoofer. It is designed to provide an immersive home theater experience with its 5.1 channel surround sound capabilities. The soundbar itself is 36 inches long and features a slim, sleek, low-profile design that can easily fit under most TVs without blocking the screen. It has 6 built-in speakers that can deliver up to 96 dB of sound, making it loud enough to fill a large room, and support DTS Virtual X for enhanced spatial sound effects. The soundbar also has Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream audio wirelessly from your mobile devices. The soundbar also has a USB port, which can be used to play music or other audio files from a USB drive. The subwoofer is designed to deliver deep, rich bass that adds impact to music, movies, and games and helps to create a more immersive home theater experience. The subwoofer is wired and has a 5.25 inches driver that can deliver powerful bass frequencies. The rear speakers are wireless, which means you don't have to worry about running cables across your room. They connect to the soundbar via Bluetooth and are designed to provide true surround sound. The wireless rear speakers use Bluetooth 5.0 technology for a reliable and stable connection to the soundbar. This makes it easier to set up the system and reduces clutter in your home theater area, and play music or other audio from your phone or tablet. The VIZIO V-Series 5.1 also comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust the volume, bass, treble, and other sound settings. The soundbar also has HDMI and optical inputs, making it easy to connect to your TV, gaming console, or other audio devices. This provides flexibility when it comes to setting up your home theater system. In terms of audio formats, the VIZIO V-Series 5.1 supports Dolby Audio, DTS Studio Sound, and DTS Virtual X, which helps create a more immersive surround sound experience by simulating height and depth in the audio. It adds virtual height and surround sound effects to make the audio feel more three-dimensional. It also has a built-in audio equalizer, which lets you customize the sound to your preference. The VIZIO V-Series 5.1 V51XJ6 is also compatible with a number of streaming services, including Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and more. You can use the VIZIO SmartCast app to stream audio directly to the soundbar from your mobile device or tablet. The app also lets you control the soundbar settings and access a variety of other features. Another great feature of the VIZIO V-Series 5.1 V51XJ6 model is its easy setup process. The soundbar comes with all the necessary cables and mounting hardware, and the wireless rear speakers connect to the soundbar with just a few button presses. The whole setup process can be completed in just a few minutes. The VIZIO V-Series 5.1 is priced at a very reasonable price point, making it a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater audio system without breaking the bank. So, the VIZIO V-Series 5.1 V51XJ6 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality soundbar system that delivers great sound and immersive surround sound. Overall, the VIZIO V-Series 5.1 is a solid soundbar system that provides excellent sound quality and immersive surround sound. Its wireless rear speakers, slim design, and easy setup make it a convenient and practical choice for anyone looking for an upgrade to their TV's built-in speakers. For buying options and more information about the VIZIO V-Series 5.1 V51XJ6 model, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.